Namaste students. In this session we are going to study about the living things and non-living things. Objective. At the end of this session you would able to understand the difference between living thing and non-living thing and the characteristic things of living things. The things we see around us can be divided into two groups. They are living and non-living. What are living and non-living things? So, the living things are things that around us which are able to eat, move, respire or breathe as well as excrete. The non-living things do not have these characteristic features of living things. The characteristic features of living thing. Living things can move, grow, respire or breathe, excrete and eat. So first one is movement. All living things need the ability to move. For example, a girl walking. So here the girl is a living thing. And there are also some other living things which do not have the ability to move. So that is called your plants. So plants is a living thing. So it has other characteristic features of living thing, but it cannot able to move from place to place. Grow. All living things need to grow and stay healthy. So therefore they take the substance such as food and energy to stay healthy. So the growth is from baby to a grown up elders. So this is the growth. So growth is common in human beings, animals as well as plants. Next is respire. So exchange of gases is called respiration. So the exchange of gases takes place within the atmosphere and the organism. So they take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. So respiration is common in all living things. Excretion. Excretion is nothing but removal of waste from the body. Here the example is sweat. So sweat is the waste substance excreted from the body to stay healthy. Next one is reproduce. Reproduce is the process of giving birth. So all living organisms reproduce and produce young one. Here are some examples of living thing. People and cat. So here the things are living things. And see here ball and car. So these are the examples of non-living things. But one fact is that the ball and car can able to move from place to place, which is the characteristic feature of living things. But also the ball and car are non-living things. Why so? Because it does not have the other characteristic features of living things. So what did you learn? So we have learned what is a difference between living things and non-living things and what are the characteristic features of living thing and non-living thing. Activity time. What are living things? Please select the correct answer. All living things around us which are able to grow, move, respire, excrete and eat. Living things do not grow, eat, respire, move or excrete. So which is the right answer? Yes. So the living things has the ability to grow, move, respire, excrete and eat. So this is your right answer. The next one is which of the following is living thing? Here are some pictures. We have to choose which is the living thing. So here dog, ball, books and phone. So here which is the living thing? Yes, the dog is the living thing in this following. So which characteristic does not belong to the group? So here are some of the characteristics and which belong to the group. So grow, respire, excrete, do not respire, reproduce, eat. So here all the characteristics or the characteristic features of living thing except one. So what is it is do not respire. So this alone is not the characteristic feature of living thing and rest others are the characteristic features of a living thing. So you have learned what is a characteristic feature of living thing and what is the difference between the living thing and non-living thing, and you could able to classify the things whether it is living or non-living. Congratulations, way to go.